Welcome to all. Hello students. We started with our table tag which is really very important for our board, and we are doing HSC board programs for table tag. Okay. So first I want to tell you that अभी जो भी हम programs कर रहे हैं, please go through this program, and if you are facing any kind of problem तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप प्लीज़ मेंशन करें. ओके कुछ भी आपको डाउट है रिगार्डिंग दिस प्रोग्राम जो प्रीवियसली हुआ है या अभी जो मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ, कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन करें एंड क्लियर योर डाउट्स, because this is really important for board for 5 marks, so you are moving one step further for your board exam, so better to clear your doubt. Let's start with next board program. It came near about 7 to 8 times in HSC board for 5 mark. Okay, so you can see this table. The content you are looking here in bold. Okay, so this is all TH, so year, and these 3 years, sales, units and income, all these are bold or are in bold. What it means, you are having this content in TH tag. Next thing, you can see this box. How we'll get this box? If you will see, if you will complete this, so you are getting like there is no merge, no spanning. Okay, so if we will do it like this, what it means, यहाँ पे अगर हमने बनाया तो दो रोज हैं और दो कॉलम्स भी हैं. So here if you want this complete box with no lines, so here we are having row span 2 and col span 2. Okay, we are having both here. You can see यहाँ पे दो रोज को भी मर्ज किया है और दो कॉलम्स को भी मर्ज किया है, बट देर इज नो डेटा इन दिस बॉक्स, बट वी वांट दिस बॉक्स, सो वी हैव टू यूज रो स्पैन 2 एंड कोल स्पैन 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज ईयर. ईयर में क्या हो रहा है, यू कैन सी 1 2 3 कॉलम्स आर स्पैनिंग. ओके, सो हियर col span will be 3 with align center. If we will use align center, so we'll get this content in center. Next thing is cells. Cells के लिए क्या किया है, if you will see, अगर इसको मैं यहाँ से कट करती हूँ तो यहाँ पे भी दो रोज हो सकते थे, बट यहाँ पे एक ही रो है और वो मर्ज हो गया. यूनिट एंड इनकम, यहाँ से दो न्यू रो स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, बट सेल के लिए वो चीज कंटेंट मर्ज है, वो रोज का कंटेंट मर्ज है. What it means, यहाँ पे भी row span 2 है, row span is 2. Okay, so what you know about this now, that यहाँ पे if you want this box 2 by 2, so this is row span 2 and col span 2. You can write anything जो भी आपको पहले लिखना है. अगर ये बॉक्स चाहिए तो आप उसमें रो स्पैन पहले मेंशन करो या कोल स्पैन पहले मेंशन करो, you will get this box. Okay, and second will be here and third will be here. Let's see the program. We started with our first row and you can see this col span equal to 2 and row span equal to 2, but here you are not having any data because we want this blank box. If you don't want any data, so you are not supposed to write any data. Okay, so this is col span 2. if you want to write row span 2 पहले लिखना है आपको तो वो पहले लिखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. फिर in this second row, in this first row second content is year. okay, year के लिए अब हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, align center and col span equal to 3. so I wrote here col span equal to 3, align center, and in this th tag I gave year. Why we use th tag, because this content are in bold. Okay, so we close this tr now. क्यों close किया है, sorry, क्यों close किया है, you can see after this 2001 we are not having anything, and after this year we are not having anything, so we are not having anything, so we have to close this first row. total we are having 4 rows, so ये पहला रो close हुआ हमारा. फिर सेकेंड रो में आई गेव ईयर ऑल 3 कंटेंट. क्यों सिर्फ 3 कंटेंट ही क्यों है? बिकॉज ये बॉक्स तो पहले से ही दे दिया है, तो दिस 3 कंटेंट एंड आई हैव टू क्लोज दिस tr tag. In next row, first I have to show this row span 2, then this unit in th tag. These 2 content will be in th and other these 3 will be in td tag. So you can see here th row span 2, I got this, I entered the data cells. Next is units, it is also in th tag, and next 3 content, those I am having numbers, this is in td tag. Okay, and you can see that after 1200 I am not having anything, so I have to close this table row. And next in last row I have the content, income and these things. And see one major thing, whatever the pattern you want in final output, like 3000 में 3 के बाद comma, rupees में r capital, rupees में ये dot, anything, so same you have to mention in your coding. Okay, so here as per the program we want 4 rows and we got our 4 rows. Okay, so आप प्रोग्राम्स अगर सॉल्व करते हो, नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज़ मेंशन इन कमेंट बॉक्स और मुझे बताओ. सी, ओके, सी व्हाट वी विल गेट. I saved this program with table name only and I will run this file in web browser. See, and I will get this table. If you want this 300, 750 and 1200 in center, so you can use in this td tag align center, so you will get all these 3 content also in center. Okay, like this we got here 2 by 2 blank box, here spanning column span 3 and here row span 2, and we are not having any kind of caption on the table, so I haven't mentioned caption tag. Okay, next program, this also came for 2 times in board exam for 5 marks. So this such kind of table will help you to grow your mind for something new tables, for creative tables. Here you can see there is score of match. India, if we will make dotted lines here, so you can see here also we can have 2 rows. Okay, this is merging of 2 rows, and here also ये मर्ज किया हुआ है, मतलब यहाँ से नए 2 रो स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं तो स्पैनिंग है इनडायरेक्टली. ओके, सो फॉर दिस बॉक्स वी आर हैविंग रो स्पैन 2. वाई 2? युवराज एंड सहवाग ये इसी में से फिर स्पैन हो रहे हैं, इसी रो में से स्पैन हो रहा है. सो हियर रो स्पैन इज 2. सेम वे फॉर इंग्लैंड 238. Here also we are having row span equal to 2. Okay, and here you can see maximum number of column is 1 and 2. So for India wins first ODI by 149 run. So to write this I have to span my columns. Okay, so here col span will be 2. And how we'll get this star? So you have to go to my second lecture video for HTML. We used here superscript tag to get this star. Okay, anything if you want to get in power you have to use star, you have to use superscript tag, sorry. Next thing, let's see, table align center and border equal to 1. So we'll get our table in the center. I started with table row span 2 and I wrote IND 387. The content you want here, same content you have to write. Okay, what is the capital, small, जो भी जैसा लिखा है आपको प्रोग्राम में जैसा चाहिए आउटपुट में, सेम वे कोडिंग में मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. एंड यू कैन सी हियर इन दिस TD टैग युवराज 138 के बाद ये स्टार के लिए मैंने क्या किया, सुपरस्क्रिप्ट टैग यूज़ किया है और TD टैग क्लोज किया है. एंड आफ्टर युवराज आई एम नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग, सो आई विल क्लोज माय फर्स्ट रो. And in second row what I am having, spanning is already given, so I am having in second row only Sehwag 83. Okay, so you can see I started with second row and I gave data only Sehwag 83. This is the content of my second row. Same way third row may be row span England 238 and I close this TD and Peterson 58. This is the only two content in third row. This is spanning and this is Peterson 58, and after this I am not having anything. But in fourth row what I am having, only Bopara 49, not other things, no other name. So you can see in fourth row I am having Bopara 49 and I close this TR tag. Next thing is, to mention this line I have to make col span equal to 2, and whatever the content you want in capital small, same you have to mention in coding. So in next row TD col span 2 and I wrote the same content here and I close this TR tag. So how many rows we are having, if we will count, one row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Okay, so you can see here one row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row we are having. Okay, let's see final output. See the coding. I'll open this file with web browser, Google Chrome. See, I got this program in center, I got this star in power. If anything you want to get in power, so you have to use superscript tag, and the thing I want in capital small, whatever, the same thing I wrote in program, so I got here. Okay, so please practice such kind of program whatever you are getting from your college or your book, textbook and TPS also. Let me know about anything. If you are getting any doubt, mention in comment box, or any kind of new program if you want, please give me that program. I'll solve for you, because this is important for your board exam and you are moving one step further for your board. Okay, so please practice at home. Thank you class.